My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. And we feel that this information can help put you on the path to being able to live your dreams through entrepreneurship. So let's take this journey together because I know that you and I both have dreams that we still want to fulfill. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, the review that we're going to be doing today is something called the YTA Method. Now, you might ask, what is the YTA Method? Well, the YTA Method is a fabulous program that's out there now, training program that teaches you how to make money with YouTube. If you want a piece of the $6 million YouTube, what YouTube paid out to people just alone last year, well, this training program is something that I think anybody out there who's interested in making money, whether they have any experience, technical skills, or anything like that, this product and training is well worth taking a look at to see how you can be able to make money on YouTube. Now, the YTA Method is the new way to profit from YouTube without being a YouTuber or even spending a dime on YouTube ads. And no, you do not even have to show your face on camera, edit a single video, or even be good at technology. So this is a way that people can make money on YouTube and do not even have to be a technical person. So that's what caught my attention as what prompted me to do this review, because I know that's even one of my challenges on YouTube, is really acquiring all the technical skills, because I am a senior citizen. So a lot of this is new to me. So I thought this YTA program is something that will be really interesting to study and learn from these two young individuals. Now, the founders of the YTA are two young entrepreneurs, and they're Caleb Maddix and Ryan O'Neill. And you see their pictures here. They are quite young. A little bit about Caleb. Caleb made his first $100,000 by age 14. He is the co-founder of a kids education company called Apex for Kids. And right now in 2020, it's valued between $15 to $30 million. He gets paid $25,000 for public speaking. He is an author of 9 books, an international keynote speaker, and a social media influencer who has dozens of viral videos under his belts, and some reaching as many as 40 million people. And did I mention that Caleb is only 18 years old? So, and also the next person, a little bit about the next person who invented the YTA program. His name is Ryan O'Neill, and he is the co-founder of Apex for Kids. He is a 20-year-old entrepreneur who has some of the biggest launches in internet history. He is supported by Tony Robbins, Dean Gazzaro, Russell Brunson, and he has helped generate over $50 million online. So these two young entrepreneurs have really proven themselves that they know how to make money online. Now, they put this free training together, and it's called YTA, the Master Plan, and they're offering a free training to learn all about what the master class is all about. Now, with YTA, you might be asking, what is what is it all about, and what do you get with it? And so the YTA Masterclass is a YouTube optimization class, and it's a step-by-step course showing you the new way to profit from YouTube automation. YouTube is a $6 billion industry, and these young individuals teach you step-by-step how to make money with their YouTube Masterclass. Now, some of the things that you get with this masterclass is that they're offering a free training that introduces you to everything that you will be learning in the YouTube Masterclass. And I really suggest that if you're interested in being more proficient on YouTube and being able to make money with YouTube, that you sign up and get this free training that they're offering. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in learning more about how to monetize your YouTube channel, if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube, if you don't even want to get in front of a camera but you can still be able to make money with YouTube, if you don't have any technical skills and you still want to make money with YouTube, this class right here, the YTA method, is well worth you taking a look. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my review. And if you would like some information about how to attend this free training, there will be a link below this video. And through this training, you're going to learn more about the optimization of your YouTube channel.